Should I self-manage or hire a professional? Landlords, have you ever asked yourself if I should self-manage my rental property? Here are 4 crucial questions you need to ask yourself when making this decision. Hi, I'm Hayden with Golden Properties. Today, I want to talk about a significant decision you might be facing as a rental property owner. The question is, should you manage your property on your own, or is it time to bring in a professional property manager? To help you navigate this decision, we need to consider 4 important questions. Let's explore these together and provide some friendly guidance to assist you in making the best choice for your property. Number 1, do you have the time? Let's start with a simple reality. How does your daily planner look? If it's packed with commitments, you might wonder how you'll fit property management into your busy schedule. Remember, this isn't just about collecting rent. It's about being available for your tenants, handling maintenance issues, and those unexpected calls that always seem to happen at the most inconvenient times. Can you take that 2 a.m. call about a busted water heater? Are you able to get back to people wanting to rent out your place before they move on to the next property? Number 2, do you know the law? Let's talk about the legal side of things. Navigating property laws can be as complex as a maze. Are you familiar with the latest fair housing regulations? Do you know your state's specific laws on security deposits and the consequences if you miss a deadline? It's essential to stay on top of these to avoid any legal pitfalls. Number 3, do you have the disposition? Now think about this and how you handle stress. Property management can be challenging, especially when disputes arise. Do you have the patience and diplomatic skills to resolve tenant issues effectively? Are you able to keep emotions out of your decision-making when someone damages your property? It's crucial to keep a level head and maintain a fair yet firm stance when dealing with rentals. Number 4, do you have the knowledge? Finally, how confident are you in your property management skills? There's a lot to know, from marketing your property effectively to conducting thorough tenant screenings and understanding lease agreements. It's not just about having the knowledge, but also about applying it effectively. If these questions have made you think, that's a good sign. It means you're taking this decision seriously. And hey, if you're feeling unsure or overwhelmed, that's perfectly okay. That's where we come in. At Golden Properties, we're passionate about helping property owners like you. Whether you decide to self-manage or are leaning towards professional management, we're happy to help. We are more than willing to discuss your specific situation, answer your questions, and provide the support you need to make the best decision for you and your property. Always feel free to reach out if you would like to have a chat about your property. Together, we'll ensure your rental property is a success, however you choose to manage it. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to talking with you soon.